Hello, good morning. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lashana. If you're a new subscriber, please subscribe to my YouTube channel when I upload every other week. So today's vlog is how to make your dream happy. So I found some tips and then I'm going to read them and then we get right into the video. Okay. So let's do the first tip is select a dream to fullness. Select a dream to fullness. So anything that you want to do, whatever you feel like you want to do, start that dream. Or this can be another thing. You can get a board, get on a wall, and write what you want. Because that's how people plan their dreams. Is they get like a board, they can write it down, and then they say, okay, I want to do this, I want to do that, and then something can come up. And if you ever felt like, say, oh, you can't do this because so and so, then I don't know. Guys, sorry, the lighting was not great. It was a little dark. Okay. The next one is so what I was saying before is get like a board to write. Okay. The next one, believe and achievable. Believe is achievable. So anything you believe that you want to do for yourself, just do. Because there's many times in our life, like all of us might dream big and we're like, oh, I want to do this, I want to do that. So always dream big and always do something that you're comfortable with, because when you end up doing something, then your mind's gonna be like, oh yeah, let's do this, let's do that. You know what I mean? Just dream big. Just dream big. Okay. The next one is ask for help. So you can ask like people who you trust, who can kind of help you, and like what you want to do. Ask for help is like the most important thing when you have a dream, because when you try to do something, like, I don't know, for example, a person can be like, they want to go for a walk, they want to exercise, they want to eat healthy, they want to do things that's for their comfort zone. They want to believe in their life. They want to start making videos. They want to start going out and meet new people. They want to do programs. So always ask for help is like the most important thing. And don't be those type of people where if you meet somebody and they don't care about you, find someone else. Okay? The next one is adjust your life as necessary. So anything you want to adjust whatever you want to do for your life. Anything that you want to plan, just adjust it. And don't look at it in a way like, say, it might not work out, it might not be good. Just do whatever you like. And let me know in the comments below what you guys think about this, okay? The next one is set a deadline. So anything you want to do, set a deadline, like something that you see yourself doing. Just do whatever you like, and don't just think of it like, say, if you do, it's not gonna work out. Do whatever you like, because guys, let me tell you, nowadays in this society, when we do things, it's just like if we're older and we say, oh, we can't do this because we're older, only kids can do this, adults can't do this. No, you can do whatever you want as long as you feel comfortable. Do it. Anything that you feel comfortable in your life that you want to do, go do it. Because sometimes we might look and we say, oh, I can't do this, oh, I can't do that. Now you have to learn how to be yourself. Okay. Next one is tell others. So you can tell certain people your dreams, whatever you want, if you feel comfortable, as long as they're not people that's gonna shut you down and do whatever you want. And the reason why I said this is because today I was watching a video. Okay, this YouTube content creator. I don't know if you remember when I was talking about my my favorite YouTubers. I was watching a YouTube person named Lisette, and she basically put a good thing about ourselves, how we look, how we act, what we should do, not give up on things. And like I said, Lisette inspired me so much because, like, there's so much things that we can do and learn and understand. Because in this lifetime, it's not like, say, we can't do things on our own. People would just judge us every day. Just like we come on this earth and we never expect that we're going to be here. But we're happy that we're here because we can do things, not be judged by, things that we don't have to worry, because no matter what we do, people will judge we. And then that's why we have to always think and say we have to do things for our own, because when we do things for our own, it's better than not doing them. So instead, if you're watching this, thank you so much. I watched your YouTube channel. It's Your video inspired me so much, and I say thank you so much, because on this earth we do things that we should not do. It's just like if we meet certain people in our life, they hurt us, they put us in a situation, and we have to keep on going. So okay, thank you so much, and if you're interested, you can go and watch that video. But there's so much videos that I watch on TV that inspires me so much every day. And just like you guys will come on here and you guys tell me things I never expect you guys would tell me. And I'm still grateful for the nice comments you guys are giving me since I started YouTube. And I don't know what will happen for the future, if people have to watch me and look back of what I did. But there's so much things that we cannot give up our life on, and we just keep going and going and going until things work for us. Because nowadays in this society, we have to keep on going until things work. Because nobody is not gonna make us happy unless you do them. So I just wanted to put that out, because I'm like, what, I've been on this earth for so long, and I know how it feels when dreams can get shut down. Okay. Let's do the last one. And the last one without these is stay focused. Okay. Anything that you plan to do, stay focused on that dream. Don't never stop doing whatever you want to do, because no matter what you do, that same person might look back and say, oh my God, really? That's what you're doing all along. It's just like when we meet certain people in our life, right? There's going to be people who might hurt us or have a dislike about us. But if we keep going and trying, we won't give up. And that's why many times when I'm on this platform and I'm always saying I'm here to inspire people and motivate people. And yes, you guys will come on here and help me too, because that's how you guys support me, by helping me. But I come on here to make sure if I help and I keep on doing this, I keep going. Yes, there's gonna be a time that, yes, I still need more work filming on these vlogs and editing them and make sure the title's okay and do good footage that you guys enjoy. And my dream is to, even if it's not YouTube in general, but anything that I'm proud that I'm doing, then I'll continue doing that. Because when you do something that you love and you enjoy, that's all that matters. You don't have to say, oh, I can't do this or I can't do this. It takes time. Remember, I started YouTube 2020. And next year, this time will be 5 years since I've been on this. So it still feel like it's fresh to me still, And I feel that, like, being on here can change a lot of people. There are people who maybe thought they wouldn't even be on YouTube or didn't think they would do this. And if you feel that you want to do it, I recommend you do it. And if you feel like, say, you're not a YouTuber, but you watch me and you see where I'm coming and you want to, then you watch me and you say, okay, this is what you have to do, this is what you have to say, and then you get that over with. But the thing is that never give up on your dream. Make your dream happy. If you want to go to school, if you want to get your license, if you want to get a job, if you want to go and meet people, if you want to do lots of events, go enjoy and let your dream shine. Let it be happy. Let it do something that makes you happy. Because no matter what you do, it will always come your way. It might not look good for anybody else, but you do it for yourself. And the reason why I'm saying this is because there are many times in my life my dream was shut down. And I said, I'm gonna do whatever I want. It might take a little slower, it might take a little more time, but I will keep going. That's all that matters to me, because you can't please nobody. You have to do whatever you like. It's just like you guys are on here, and sometimes there's negative comments. Sometimes I will be, and I will see the comment, and I'm like, I understand. I don't want to get mad at strangers I don't know, but when you come and you say something bad to somebody, it tells them like, say, hey, she did this, she did that, she did that. You know what I mean? But what I'm trying to say is that in this vlog today, is to never give up on your dream. Even if you feel like, say, you can't do this, believe me to God, something is gonna come for you. And I always say to myself, no matter what I do on YouTube, I'll keep going. It might not be the best, it might not be entertaining, or it might not be as funny as you guys think, but you gotta do what you gotta do, okay? But let me pause and I'll end the video better, okay? Alright, so other than that, that is it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoy. Comment down below what you guys think about this video. I hope you guys, get something out of this video. Not in a negative way, but in a happy way. And I know sometimes I never done this, and I know there's so much things in the world that we want to get it and it doesn't come. Sometimes I might not say like about really, I will, and if I'm mentioning a dream that I want to do, it's like something that I plan and I think and I say, I want to do this, I want to do this. And just like, being on here is one of the most amazing things in our life. And we got to always say to ourselves, we can't give up on it, because the more you give up, the more you worry or the more you stress about it. So I always say to myself, never give up on your dreams. Just keep going and things will work out. Okay? But I'm going to end this vlog right here. I hope you guys enjoy. If you guys are interested in these tips that I just read today, there's about 7 tips. I will put them in the description. So hopefully this will help you. And if there's anything that I missed, let me know in the comments. I would like to know whatever I missed. And all I can just tell you, have a positive smile. Be confident. Be yourself. Love yourself. Don't put no bad negative things about yourself. Okay? Just be happy and enjoy life. Because we only have one life to live and we have to enjoy it. Okay? Alright. Hope you guys enjoy. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Okay? Bye.